Hey guys, I said I was gonna test this 1950s GE plastic blade box fan with the amp meter and some other toys. Just see if it's better without the light. That almost does seem better. It's hard to tell. It's just very bright on top of it when I do that, because the lights are above it. Oh well. Anyhow, so first we'll just try with the amp meter. Where's the control on it? On this side, on low. As it gets up to speed, it's down to 1.8786. Forgot just how much current these draw. It's quite a bit. .82, that's up to speed. Medium. Maybe setting stuff on top of it wasn't the most brilliant idea. These are very vibrating. Some stuff on the ground, I guess. Medium. High. Off. We got this Leslie lock control here. I'm going to set that to setting 5. Let it spin down. Blade looks a little dirty. I didn't notice that before. One of these days I'll clean it up, maybe. I hear it humming, but it's not moving. Still nothing. Okay. Speed 4. And then, of course, high for reference. Off. Lastly, I've actually seen someone with one of these box fans that, I don't know why, if it would have originally had a speed coil or if something was wrong with, I think I remember what it was. I think the motor was burned out and they rewound it as a 1-speed motor. And then used an infinitely variable solid state control right in the house, the side of the housing, right where the knob would go. I thought that was pretty cool. So this might be a good control option for this. Let's see how noisy it is. We'll definitely get a good range of speeds. So right now, let's turn the fan on low. I'm going to turn it up to high. That's the wrong way. Sorry, guys. It's amazing just how much current it takes to move so slowly. Permanent slit capacitor motors are definitely more efficient. That's drawing close to an amp to only go that slow. I wonder if I stop it with my finger, if it'll have enough to start again. Nope. Okay, let's use that as the low, 0.8. Let's go an eighth of a turn. Well, an eighth of a turn isn't going to be, let's just slowly, gradually go up. Let me see if I got any play in this so I can get a better shot with both of these things in it. That's a nice low speed for a box fan. It's quiet. It's moving a decent amount of air. Okay, let's go all the way up to high. I just want to see the difference. Another thing to factor in is that this is technically a sealed bearing fan, and it is over 50 years old, so it probably needs some oil in the bearings and would probably do a lot better on lower speeds if it had some. To oil these, you actually have to drill out a hole in the back of the motor. I've done it before. It's not bad. So yeah, you could use a solid state control on one of these and you'd get it. So there's something kind of rattly sounding in there. I don't think it's the control. Yeah, I don't know what that rattly sound is. That hasn't shown up before. It goes away when you turn it all the way up. But yeah, it seems like you could use a solid state control on one of these and actually have a good performing fan. Just for reference, because we've gone through several different tests now. I just want to show you the original factory speeds again without the solid state control. And it's still making that rattling now sound, so that wasn't the solid state control, but it goes away when it gets up to speed. Something in there must just be rattling. Okay. Handle's missing on this one. It was a plastic handle. Those go missing or broken on a lot of box fans. Let's take a look at the back of it. I think the motor's a little bit smaller than the metal bladed ones. I don't remember. I haven't had a metal bladed one since I was a kid. The place where you have to drill is right behind there. And obviously you have to take the motor off the support there. I mean, you could drill through the support too, but why? That would just make it a lot harder, and yeah, it'd just be harder on yourself. So, there you have it. Let's look on the bottom and see if there's a markings on the bottom of it. I've never actually done that. I don't think in one of these videos before. Nope, I had one of these that had something on the bottom of it. Might have been my metal one. I don't remember. It was years ago. Okay. Thanks, guys.